Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting evening. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram and let's get into this video. In tonight's video, I'm going to be reviewing this beauty box. It's called Brandefy. It's by quarterly and you pay $15 and you get to pick out 4 cruelty-free items, and there you go. The good thing about this subscription box is that you get to choose the items you want in your box, so I think I really enjoyed doing that because it was something really different. So this is the box here. I really enjoyed it because, again, it's 15 bucks. You can't beat that. And you get 4 full-size cruelty-free products. And they send you this card here, and they have a choice. They have a choice of everything that you choose on the back of the card. So I'm gonna go through the box and show you guys everything that I got because I love beauty boxes. They're fun and you get good products and stuff for not very expensive. Okay, so first you get to choose a palette, and this is the Milani Gilded Jewel eyeshadow palette. You could choose between that and the Gilded Coast eyeshadow palette. They retail for $20, and again, they are cruelty free. Okay, so this is the palette. The packaging is very pretty. Milani Cosmetics. I like Milani Cosmetics, really good. Oh, this is a really pretty palette. It's a very colorful type of palette. And you can create really pretty looks with it. So I think I will do a first impressions with this palette next. But not tonight. Tonight we're just going to do a quick beauty box review. Beauty box Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever you want to call this. I've been kind of out because I've just been down. But today we're up again. And I go through my emotions, but it's alright. Okay, so the next item I got that I chose was this To Avocado Fragrance Free Daily Eye Cream. Here it is here. And let's take it out of the packaging. Okay, so it's an eye cream, as you can see. And it does have a, it reminds me of like a medicine type of smell. I don't know how avocado will work with my skin. Sometimes I feel like whenever I eat avocados, they make me sick for some reason. But only when my aunt whenever my aunt prepares avocados for me, I can eat it. It's just really weird. I don't know why I developed this sad deficiency to avocados. Because avocados are so good for you. And good for your skin too. So I'll give it a go. We'll see how it works. Okay, so then you can either choose between the avocado fragrance-free eye cream or a daily cream cleanser. I chose the eye cream because I have a lot of little lines that are coming out, that are coming through in my eyes. So I think any kind of eye creams that can help me, I'll just try to use that. And the avocado, the To Avocado, those retail to $9 and $10. So the next item are Pixi items. I like Pixi. Hopefully one day maybe they can sponsor me. That would be amazing. Okay, so the Pixi items is a lip lift mask or On the Glow. I chose On the Glow ginseng glycolic acid, and it looks like a bar. And let's open her up. Here's the item here. There's no smell. Yeah, there's no smell to it. Let's see what it... So it's just a moisturizer. On the Glow Travel Friendly Solid Moisturizer. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, I'm really gonna like this. This is really good for, especially whenever you go anywhere. Whenever we are able to go anywhere. This would be perfect to go. Oh, I love it. I wonder if there's SPF in it. We'll read it later and see if there's SPF in it. I can't wait to try that. That is really, really good. Okay, so that was 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then we should have, okay, so the last item retails for $14, and I chose the Julep Natural Charcoal Konjac Exfoliating Sponge. So here it is here. I'm not going to open it yet because I don't want to use it right away. So it's detoxifying bamboo charcoal powder carbon. So I guess it's just good whenever you want to like take off your makeup or whenever you want to like clean your face. You can use a sponge along with a good cleanser. So also with this introductory box that I chose, I was able to also get a luminizing setting spray. So I got this free, I guess as a free welcome gift, which is really cool because we can always use our setting spray. Let's take off my glasses. There's no makeup on my face tonight. Oh, it has a nice smell to it too. Oh, it smells really good. So that was everything in this box, and I highly recommend Brandefy. $15, you can't go wrong, every quarterly, and then you get to pick all the items in this box. I can't wait to create a look with the Milani palette. Milani products are so good, and the thing I do like about this subscription box is that it is cruelty free because we can't hurt the animals. No, I'm against all that. So that was everything in this box tonight, and I was so excited to bring you guys this, to share this box with you guys. I will leave everything in my description box below if you guys want to go check it out. And yeah, that was it. So before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. Alice and her friends are up there. You can see them. They're there. Alice, the Mad Hatter, and the White Rabbit. So again, before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. So this was it for tonight, Every Birdie. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram. I always post different flat lays, makeup looks, everything there. Go check me out. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, Every Birdie. Good night.